Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through how to change your default mail app on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Mail and tap on it. This will open up your mail settings. Now look for Default Mail App and tap on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the mail apps installed on your iPhone. Just a heads up, the app does need to be installed on your phone in order for it to show up here. In my case, I'm going to select Gmail as my default. Easy peasy. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can scroll down in the main settings menu to find the specific mail app you want to use, like Gmail. Tap on it, and you'll usually find a default mail app setting within that app settings as well. You can select your default from there, just like we did before. And that's it. Now that you've selected your preferred default mail app, the next time your iPhone prompts you to open a mail application, it should automatically open using the one you just chose. Remember, this is based on my own experience, and your steps might be slightly different depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. All the relevant links can be found in the description. Thanks for watching.